Assalam Alaikum students, I hope all of you are fine and you are enjoying summer holidays very well. Today we will do activity 6, which is about interrogative sentences. In this activity we will learn how can we become interrogative sentences by using past tense. So I will tell you method, listen this carefully. Students, first of all I will tell you very important thing, question mark. Question mark is very important for interrogative sentences, but many students forget this question mark. So keep it in mind, you have to put question mark at the end of the interrogative sentences. Clear? Now look at this. When we make interrogative sentences of past tense, then we use did plus first form of verb. Look at this, eat chocolate. First of all, you have to write helping verb did, after this subject you, after this first form of verb eat, and then object chocolate, and at the end of the sentence you have to write question mark. Students, now here are some question words: what, who, whose, when, how, why, where and which. Now I will tell you how can we make past tense interrogative sentences by using these words. Listen this carefully. Students, we are talking about past tense. So if we make interrogative sentence by using question word, so first of all you have to write question word, after this did, after this first form of verb, and after this the remaining part of the sentence, and at the end of the sentence you have to put question mark. Now look at this. How make tea? In this how is question word, after this you will write helping verb did, after this subject do, after this first form of verb make, then object tea, and at the end of the sentence you have to put question mark. Students, in this sentence here is no question word, so you will start your sentence with helping verb did. Clear? And keep it in mind, your first letter must be capital and you have to put question mark at the end of the sentence. Now this is third part. Students, look at this. If there is no action word, then you will write was or were as a main verbs at the start of this sentence. For example, the park beautiful. Here is no action word. So first of all you have to write was because the park is singular. After this you will write beautiful, and at the end of the sentence you have to put question mark. This process is used for past tense. Clear? Students, today we have discussed how can we make interrogative sentences by using past tense. We use did plus first form of verb, and if here is any question word, then first of all we will write question word, and at the end of the sentence we must put question mark. But if here is no action word, then first of all you have to write was or verb at the start of the sentence, and at the end of the sentence you have to put question mark. Now keep it in mind these rules and solve exercise. Now look at this exercise. In this exercise, a friend has just returned from his holiday. Now you will ask some questions about his holiday in simple past tense. And when you will write interrogative sentences by using past tense, you must follow those rules which I have told you. Look at first, how get there. Here is question word how. So first of all you will write how, after this helping verb did, then subject you, after this first form of verb get, then the remaining part of sentence there, and at the end of the sentence you will put question mark. And in second, who go with. Who is question word, so first of all you have to write who, after this did helping verb, after this subject you, then first form of verb go, then the remaining part of sentence with, and at the end of the sentence you will put question mark. Now you have to solve other exercise. Look at fourth, the weather good. Here is no action word, so you will use here was or were at the start of the sentence, and at the end of the sentence you will put question mark. Now look at this other exercise. Where stay, the weather good, what do you think of the food, what do during the day, go out in the evenings, buy any souvenirs. Souvenirs mean gifts, make any new friends, how long the journey home take. Now follow rules and write these sentences in interrogative past form. Do this work by yourself. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.